Digital marketing. Digital marketing is undeniably the paramount driving force of modern business in the contemporary global landscape. In today's rapidly evolving and highly competitive modern world, if your esteemed business or company has not yet strategically invested in hiring a dedicated digital marketer or a highly skilled digital marketing expert, then without a shadow of a doubt, your business will inevitably fall significantly behind its competitors in this dynamic and ever advancing era of modernization and pervasive digitalization. Keeping this crucial and undeniable reality firmly in mind, our distinguished organization, Prochar Gaur, proudly offers comprehensive and cutting edge digital marketing and advanced IT solutions tailored to meet diverse business needs through a variety of meticulously crafted packages. Within these specialized packages, we diligently apply a wide array of sophisticated and effective digital marketing tools and innovative strategies directly to your esteemed organization or burgeoning business. Our primary objective is to meticulously help you significantly increase your desired sales figures and achieve substantial business growth. There exists a vast and diverse arsenal of powerful tools within the expansive realm of digital marketing. If we were to delve into and discuss some of the fundamental and most impactful basic tools, they prominently include social media marketing, which we commonly abbreviate and refer to as SMM for brevity and convenience, SEO or search engine optimization, which is crucial for online visibility and organic traffic generation, comprehensive content marketing, encompassing various forms of valuable and engaging content creation, and highly targeted paid advertising campaigns across various platforms. To reiterate, if you neglect to strategically hire a proficient digital marketer or implement robust digital marketing strategies for your company, you will undoubtedly find your business lagging considerably behind in the marketplace. With this critical understanding firmly established, our dedicated team at Projargor is committed to offering a diverse range of highly effective and customizable digital marketing packages designed to propel your business forward. By judiciously utilizing and fully leveraging the power of these meticulously designed packages, you can undoubtedly transform your business, making it exceptionally cutting edge, highly competitive, and remarkably successful in the digital age. And with the strategic implementation of comprehensive digital marketing initiatives, your business sales will not only increase but are poised to dramatically double, leading to unprecedented growth and profitability. And along with this, we provide continuous support and strategic insights to ensure your sustained success in the digital arena.